Low TVOC ESD, electrostatic discharge, tiles are emerging as a superior choice for creating healthier and safer workspaces. In today's rapidly evolving work environments, the importance of health and safety cannot be overstated. Total volatile organic compounds, TVOC, are a group of chemicals that can vaporize into the air from various sources, including building materials. High levels of TVOCs in indoor environments can have detrimental effects on human health, causing symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, and respiratory problems. In workspaces, especially those where employees spend long hours, minimizing TVOC emissions is crucial. ESD vinyl tiles are engineered to have extremely low levels of TVOC emissions. This not only creates a healthier atmosphere for workers but also helps in complying with strict environmental and occupational health regulations. Low TVOC anti-static flooring tiles represent a significant advancement in workspace flooring. Y.H.F Floors, a China manufacturer specializing in ESD flooring, has a TVOC test report issued by SGS. By addressing both the issues of indoor air quality through low TVOC emissions and electrostatic discharge protection, ESD flooring tiles offer a comprehensive solution for creating healthier and safer workspaces.